It's you. That's all you're gonna do? Are you excited to come to my house? Look, there's a horsey. You wanna go see the horsey? Look how cute the horsey is. What's the horsey's name, Michaela?
Ruby.
Ruby. I love it. Look at the horsey. What are you doing? Are you playing with your toys?
Yeah.
And what are you gonna eat, baby?
Hamburger and cheese.
And cheese? Nothing to drink?
Yeah, soda.
Soda? What kind of soda?
Dr. Pepper.
Ooh, my favorite. Are we gonna share, Michaela?
Yeah. Look. Look.
Michaela. Goodbye. What do you have in there?
Makeup.
What kind of makeup?
My mom. Oh, mine. Look, mine is makeup.
Ooh. That's it?
No. This lipstick.
You guys really can't see me. Can you see Michaela? Michaela. Michaela?
Michaela?
It's Michaela. I'm sorry.
I know because I'm nothing. We're going to the park and read a vlog in the park.
Say we'll be right back.
Right back.
Good job. Okay. Hi. We made it to the park. We're gonna be in the park for a while because
And I can't take off my bottom suit.
you can't take it off. And
Yeah.
we're gonna go get what after the park?
We're gonna get I don't know. Milkshake. I don't know. Like
They're called slushies.
slushies. So
So yeah,
we're gonna get off.
we're gonna get off now and be at the park. So we'll be back.
Yeah, we're back.
Can you hear that bloody swing? Look, Michaela wants to show you. Look, there's Michaela on the swing. Whoa, you almost hit me.
Now see the camera.
You know you can't see the camera. You want to start the screen?
Yeah. This is me sitting behind around the park. Back in a truck. We're already here, so we're talking on camera and sound. Yes.
She's saying she could swing by herself. Huh, Michaela? Huh? Okay, now I gotta go push her. I just wanted to do a little snippet at the park. The parka. Wow, we're back in the car. We had a small accident. Michaela, you want to tell him about your accident? No? You want me to tell him? Well, I told Michaela, well, we have 10 more minutes. We're pretty much here for an hour. I said, we have 10 more minutes. Like, do you want to go anywhere? She goes, I want to go on the swing. So she goes on the swing, and I was fixing her hair. And she, like, kind of pushed herself, but got off. And, like, she kind of pushed herself and got off. Like, because she was going to readjust herself. And she fell backwards and she hit her head. How does your head feel? Let me zoom in. Okay, how? It hurts? Are we gonna go somewhere to make it better? Where are we gonna go?
Get froyo.
To get froyo? Okay. Okay, we'll be back. We're gonna go get some froyo. Michaela, say it. Froyo. I just realized someone's calling me. Hold on. So we came to Minchie's because Michaela fell and I wanted to give her a treat. They're closed. It says, sorry for your inconvenience, but we're closed today. Sorry. I'm just like, all days they're gonna be closed today. And then Jimmy John's always has stale bread and they're sold out today. I'm just like, why? But Michaela wants to vlog.
Hi, guys. So we're leaving because the store, the ice cream is locked, so we can't. They're closed, So we're going to the other store. I gotta look for other things here. So we're going over here straight, and we're going to where? Menchie's. So we're going right now. So we're gonna just keep driving.
What kind of froyo are you gonna get, Michaela?
I'm gonna get I don't know, vanilla or vanilla.
Vanilla?
Yeah, I gotta get vanilla ice cream.
Oh, vanilla ice cream. What else?
And I gotta put Ariel's in it and
What else?
I don't know what's in there. Oh, Ariel's M&M's and muffin.
A muffin?
Like those little muffins?
Like a brownie?
Yeah, brownie. I can get a brownie and M&M's and vanilla M&M's and Ariel's M&M's and then brownies. Oh, those other cars are waiting. And it's red still. It's supposed to be green and it's red. So, yeah.
Do you see this little girl? This little girl got all this ice cream. I can't even eat that much froyo. I don't understand how she can. Okay, let's go. Let's go, go, go.
So today, I gotta be vlogging. I was watching TV.
What were you eating? Why are your fingers red?
Sorry, I was eating hot Cheetos with lemon.
Do you know in North Dakota, not a lot of people eat that?
No.
Because I have a friend who lives in North Dakota and I was eating that. And he goes, what is that? Why would you do that? You're disgusting. Wow, Justin, it's delicious.
And nothing's delicious.
Okay, I'm gonna go upstairs and you're gonna vlog?
Yeah. Fruit's not delicious. Fruit's delicious.
Fruit?
Yep.
Your daddy's a farmer, huh?
Yeah.
And you get a lot of fruit, huh?
Yep. We live in the country. Hi. I did a scrap. I did a scrap. Look at that. Bye, guys.